This video is to inform you about a shortcut workshop for IPMAT, Rohtak, JIPMAT, NPAT, set, CET exam. I mean, basically for 10 plus 2 students. The separate workshop for IPMAT indoor was a little tougher questions and little different, so we'll have a separate workshop for that. This is a separate workshop focused on the IPMAT, Rohtak, JIPMAT, etc. Right. So basically, the classes will be held online. We have an online workshop separate and a classroom if you want it, Thane separately. So it'll be conducted by Patrick and Rochelle. So we've been training students for more than 24 years. And yes, course will be conducted on weekdays. It'll be 30 plus hours of live lectures. We'll also give individual guidance on mocks. I mean, how to write a mock, the strategy. The focus of the whole session is shortcuts and strategy, how to solve things faster. So, been training students for more than 24 years. I've scored 100% the 6 times in CAT, so fairly comfortable how to crack the exam. You can contact us on these numbers or email us support@coinacademy.com. You can enroll at prep.practic100.com for the course. Right. Thank you.